In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted chats on Instagram. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your deleted messages on Instagram, what you have to do is to click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Go to settings. Now click on the search bar and in the search bar type download your information. Click on this option request a download. Now if you want to download a complete copy of your Instagram account, then you need to click on this first option. And if you want to download anything specific, like you just want to recover your deleted chats, then you need to click on the second option that says select types of information. From here, select messages and click on next. Click on the submit request option. Okay, now your information is being prepared by Team Instagram, and once your information is ready, it will be sent to your email address. So now you have to wait for a few moments and I'll get back to you guys when I have received my files. Okay guys, welcome back, and as you can see that I have received the email from Instagram saying that my information is ready to download. So now what you have to do is to open this email and click on this option download your information. Now log into your Instagram account and then click on this download option. Once again, log into your Instagram account. Click on download information. Okay, as you can see that the file is now downloaded. So click on open and go to messages and then go to inbox. And here you will see all of your deleted chats. In this way, you can recover your deleted chats on Instagram. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.